August hits the window pane. The heat is rising in my veins. A ceiling fan that barely spins. Another summer wearing thin. You left your footprints in the sand. I'm holding nothing in my hands, and the sun keeps burning slow. Every place I used to go, now the daylight feels too long, and I don't know where I belong. Summer heavy on my chest.